The black wire is the ground wire. It must be grounded properly. Now let's show you how to turn on the machine. Push on the switch to turn on the machine. Turn on the operation system. Now the touch screen is on. Then turn on the water tank and the laser system. Please do not turn on the laser until the temperature on the water tank is higher than 20 degrees Celsius. Here is the laser power switch. Now let's show you how to set the parameters. Now the scan speed is 300 mm per second. The scan width is 6 mm. It means the max width of the soldering gap is 6 mm. The peak power is 1500 watts. It is full power running now. We merely need to adjust and set the above some parameters. Press the key of technology to enter the page of parameter setting. We need to change the two parameters, scan width and the peak power value. Take 1 mm thick stainless steel for example. The scan width should be between 2.8 and 3.2 mm. The peak power should be between 700 and 800 watts. Since it is touch screen, you can press it and change parameter directly. Then press the keys of OK, input and save. Then return to the last page. Now the peak power is revised to 700 watts successfully. Then change the welding width in the same way. Now let's show how to use the wire feeder. Turn the switch on firstly, then the touch screen is on. The wire feeding speed should be between 60 and 70. The value can be changed by pressing the up and down arrow. The wire also can be fed manually. It is the smart touch screen. Open this door to change the welding wires. Let's take the 1.2 thick gas shield welding wire for example. Here it is removable, so that we can put new wire on. When we put new welding wire on, unlock the two switches firstly. There are number 1.2 on the two wheels. The number should be outward facing. Unscrew the two nuts. When the two numbers face outside, the internal fixture clamps are for 1.2 thick wire. The welding wire goes through this path. After the wire is fixed properly, clog the two switches. Insert the wire pipe here, then screw it tightly. This is the welding torch. The nozzle number is S12. The gas we used is nitrogen. Argon is also workable for the machine. The normal pressure is 0.5. No need to large. This is the gas inlet. This position is the wire inlet. Before you use this machine, please make sure that there is enough water in the water tank. and the gas source is connected properly.